Thank you, Nena, and welcome everyone in Slovenia that we decided to be green reference country in digital Europe. What we meant with that slogan? We said we aim to use the technology as a reference country. We are not aiming that we try to invent new things, but we would like to invent how to use those things that are already here, new technologies, to benefit to green, to environment and to the people. And this is our aim, this is our direction that we are willing to go in last year under this government with the collaboration with all of beautiful co-workers. We are trying to show this strategy in practice that really can make a change. And when we are trying to make a change with the technology systems, for me, one of the most crucial things is to build an ecosystem of collaboration. Because if you have technology, if you have IoT, if you have 5G, if you have blockchain, you cannot use it if you don't have people to use it, if you don't have a legal system to use it, if you don't have a financial system to support it, and if you don't have solutions that are based on those new technologies. And this is the ecosystem that enables that what technology makes possible really comes in life and that we all use it. And the blockchain is the same. Possibilities of blockchain for me are logical consequence of what already happened. I usually explain it that we have internet as a communication media which is dislocated, which is not controlled by one center. It's communication for all. On internet, we are sharing, contributing and using informations, knowledge, anything that we all every day contribute and use via different search engines and exchange tools. So we have media of information and knowledge which is distributed. On that media, economy started to grow, so-called collaborative or sharing economy, whatever you call it. This is economy which is not concentrated in one place, because today I can establish a company with workers globally who is getting resources and selling globally. So it's shared. It's a problem where this economy has a center of power to control it. It's global. So what we need at this moment is global mechanisms to support whatever we do. How to pay taxes, how to pay insurances, how to protect our clients, how to vote about different things. And I strongly believe that only blockchain is a technology that enables a support for this distributed global economy, global information, global communication. So it's a logical consequence of whatever we already have. So this is why Slovenia is aiming to really encourage the blockchain solutions. And another very important circumstance we have in our country, I'm very glad about it, there is a lot of knowledge, a lot of startups, a lot of very serious, mature companies working in that field which are not known enough, so they need recognition and they need a support from the system level. It's not very simple, but we are aiming in that way and we are going with the fast steps already in that way. And if you want to achieve what I guess for everyone in that room is that we use solutions and benefits of blockchain technologies, what we need is trust. We need the trust of clients, of citizens, of businesses, and not in the end, also decision makers, the parliaments, that they recognize this technology as trusted technology which can be used to solve many different social, economic, political even problems or communications. And the question is how to build trust. Strongly believe with the proof of concept, with a lot of working projects which are not initially asking for radical changes in legislation, but first prove that it works. And this is slowly, with small steps, but very fast, is the way how we gain trust in the blockchain technologies, and then we will get benefits even in higher scale. So let's do the proof of concept. Let's show how it works. Let's gain trust of the users, not only of the blockchain community, but also the trust of politicians, the trust of citizens, the trust of businesses that blockchain technology can really solve many of very complicated problems today very efficiently. And one of the key problems that I see is that we have very fragmented communications, very fragmented production. In the, I don't know, collaborative economy, you can have workers all over the globe. If someone is, I don't know, working for Uber, they're working in Slovenia, in different countries, contributing something, and then everything goes to one central. And this is a problem, because the added value is created in one country. And where the added value is created, we expect that taxes are paid, insurance is made, and customer protection is made. Only on the blockchain, with the constant confirmation what was contributed and what was done, is the only technology where we can manage that very fragmented and very global changes that are going in the sharing or collaborative economy. This is why I believe that this direction is very, very important, and basically the only technology that solves one of the key problems that we have today globally. And on the end, we need trust, I said, in the technology. But as a politician, I can tell you we need trust in government. And trust in government dropped very rapidly in late years, not only in Slovenia, in many older democracies. So we want to gain again trust in what we do and how we run our countries and our economies. We have to be open. We have to be democratic. We have to allow that everyone is contributing with the decision making, with the confirmation what he get or what he got. And this again, the blockchain technology can contribute a lot. With the blockchain, we can reshape our democracy processes. We can gain direct democracy. Maybe on the end, we can vote on blockchain technologies, but not at the first step. Again, we have to gain trust in the technology, and through that, we can gain trust in how we run our communities. So I encourage you to work on the progress. I encourage you to bring the concrete results of the blockchain solutions, but not the first one with the radical legislation changes. First, with the small steps, we show and we confirm that this does work. And then we have a technology which will maybe in the future even help us to sustainably run the planet that we are living on. So good luck and good experiences to share. Thank you.